hot. Oh, it is. No way! No way my car does this. Y'all know the vibes. It is Smoovelifer time. We are back. We are back with a banger today. So as y'all seen by the thumbnail, your boy is gonna be testing his 60 to 130 times on my modded ZL1. You feel me? Bolt-on-ish ZL1, a little bit of E30, cat deleting it, cold air intake, makes low 600 wheel. So we're going to see how this car does in a 60 to 130. I'm low-key shooting for like mid 7s to low 7s. Nothing too crazy because the stock one is like a high 7s to almost 8 seconds, 60 to 130. So it should be a little bit faster than that. So let's see how it goes. Already drove the car today, so it's not really a cold start. So we're gonna give y'all a warm start, which is still crazy loud. So yeah, let's do that right now. So we're on the way to Mexico, and as you can see, I took my back seats out like I do when I race, and my trunk liner stuff out, because I want to get the most accurate 60 to 130 that I get when I race other cars, and I'm on the track and stuff like that. So we're fully ready to go and do what we gotta do. We're on the way to Mexico. We're like almost there. For people who's new, man, if you're new to the channel, man, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Join the Smooth gang and join the Smoovelifer's, man. We're growing pretty good at this rate, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. Like the video if you want to see more of this type of stuff, and let me know in the comments if you enjoy race cars, bro. From muscle, JDM to whatever. It's pretty loud without those back seats, but I'll see you guys when we get there, man. All right, so we have made it to Mexico, you guys. We got our Dragy connected. Everything is cool. We're gonna set the Dragy back here. Might have to warm my tires up because it is cold out here. Hopefully I get enough room to do an actual 60 to 130. Let's turn off traction. Let's stop real quick. Okay. 60. I'm gonna start from a 50. Are you ready? First one. Oh! Oh! Yo, y'all guess who we just ran? No way! No way my car does this. We just ran a 7-1. Hold the fuck on. I was invalid. Low satellite. How is it invalid? It says low satellite. You ready? You ready? Okay. This one was a 7.4. But I was spinning a little bit to the side with this one, so okay. So that was a mid-7 run, so let's let her cool down. We're gonna do 2 more on the way back. That's crazy though. So far that's like a really good like shit. I don't know, that's 7.1. I think we can get that 7.1. Okay, so we stopped to let it cool down a little bit, you feel me? Just so we can get the next 2 runs be our best 2 runs, so we can try to get that 7.1 as a valid time. No, we got the 7.4 with it spinning a little bit, so for a semi bolt-on car, low 7s to almost mid 7s is like a perfect spot to be at, so we're gonna let it cool down a little bit. Shouldn't be that hot. Oh, it is. You know, it's like almost 40 degrees, 35 degrees outside. Shoot. We can get to a 7.1 or a 7 flat, I would be excited, bro. That's almost in the 6 seconds, which is, this car makes a little 600 wheels. 7 seconds flat would be a perfect run for this, so let's go ahead. Just cooling down. I'll see you guys when we get back to Mexico. And y'all don't judge me. I'm gonna put my phone right here so I can get the actual video footage if it doesn't freeze. Why does it keep freezing? Yeah, motherfucker, it's loud back there, y'all. Hopefully y'all can see. I gotta warm up again, I guess. That was a 7.1 again. See, like I told you guys. I told y'all, bro. I just went a 7.1 while I was spinning. I ran a 7.0. Okay guys, so I guess it's safe to say that my car runs a 7-second to 7.1, 60 to 130, which is kind of quicker than I expected. I thought it was gonna run like a 7.4. It ran a 7.4, but I spun on that one when it ran a 7.4. So when it ran a 7.1, when I got in it and got out a little bit and got back in it, and it ran another 7.1 doing a regular like full throttle, then it ran a 7.0 when I was like in it like 100%, like going a little to the side and still kept going straight. So this car kind of, it surpassed what I thought it was going to do. I thought it was going to be like a low 7, like a 7.3, 7.4 every time, but it ran a 7.0, a 7 flat, this close to the 6s. So shoot, a little bit more E, we could probably get high 6s, you feel me? But hey, hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. If you are excited just as I am, if your car is a low 600 wheel ZL1, weighs 3,900 pounds, hey, you can run 7-second flat too, man. So hope you guys enjoyed that, man. I'm happy, you're happy. Make sure you join the Smooth gang. Hit that sub button, but try to know the Bob Smooth Lifestyle is out.